In this video, you will see how to remove comments in WPS Office. If you are writing a research paper, scientific report, or a business document and you have different comments that you want to delete, then what you can do is just click on the text that has comment and then right click. You will see the option of delete comment. You can click on this option and the comment will be deleted. There is one more option. You can directly click on the comment that you want to delete here in the box. Here you will see these small 3 lines. Click on the drop down and here also you will see the option of delete comments. You can just click on this option and the comment will be deleted. Like this, you can delete multiple comments throughout your document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office. See you again in the next one.